Gentlemen, get ready to start your engines. Today, you're trading in that Ford Pinto so you can wow your lady with a sweet ride in your new Lambo. We're uncovering 7 natural Viagra alternatives that will take you from 0 to 100 in less than 5 seconds. Be sure to stick around as we reveal 3 smoothie recipes that will guarantee rock-solid results in the bedroom every time. Number 7. Our first natural libido booster is a special root native to the Peruvian Andes. This root has exploded in popularity primarily because of its legendary ability to improve your sexual performance, help you get a stronger erection, and help you last longer in bed. In one recent study, it was proven that this mysterious root not only helps with revving up the male libido, but also increases sperm count and improves fertility in men. No, this root is not powered by some ancient Peruvian magic, and you don't need to be Indiana Jones to unearth it from some hidden location. If you haven't guessed it yet, this incredible root we've been describing is the maca root, which you may already have somewhere in your kitchen. Maca has 2 unique phytochemicals that act as natural remedies for male enhancement: macaines and macamines. This dynamic duo works double time to boost your testosterone levels and improve blood circulation, 2 of the most important parts of a successful and strong erection. If you're looking for ways to incorporate maca into your meals to improve your sexual health, try this simple but effective smoothie recipe, the Maca Magic Smoothie. For this, you'll need 1 cup pomegranate seeds, 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons maca powder, half a cup Greek yogurt or plant-based yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional, adjust to taste, half a cup milk or milk alternative. That's it! Chug it down and prepare your libido for liftoff. We've got 6 more natural remedies and 2 more smoothie recipes coming your way, so stay tuned. Number 6. There's a certain mineral that can be particularly useful for improving erectile dysfunction naturally. However, even doctors sometimes overlook its importance. This vital mineral affects testosterone levels, blood flow to the penis, fertility, and even the health of your prostate. The mineral is zinc! And if zinc is what you need, you'll want to get it from the most potent and abundant source out there. Every year on Valentine's Day, you know, that one day of the year when your sexual performance is the difference between a standing ovation by your lady or a night on the couch, there is a surge of sales of this well-known ocean delicacy, famed for its aphrodisiac properties, renowned for its unique briny flavor and impressive nutrient profile. This coastal superfood is not only loaded with zinc, it's also rich in vitamin D, magnesium, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, elements that collectively foster improved sexual health, including optimal testosterone levels and erectile function. We're talking about oysters, of course. And there are tons of ways you can add this underwater treat into your weekly menu. Number 5. Our next Viagra alternative is well known for its role in stimulating milk production in lactating mothers. But hear us out. Its effectiveness in enhancing sexual function in men often flies under the radar. This classic Indian herb contains rare compounds known as furanolinic saponins. Standing out among these saponins is one in particular, known as protodiosine. As regards to male sexual health, protodiosine is thought to increase your testosterone levels naturally, as well as improve erectile function and sexual performance. So where do you find protodiosine? It's found in high amounts in fenugreek. In addition to protodiosine, fenugreek also contains other bioactive compounds like dioxygenin, which plays a pivotal role in balancing hormones and is suspected of improving blood flow to the penis. Fenugreek is widely available and easy to add to soups, stews, meats, and veggies. How will you use this miraculous spice, blessed with compounds for improving erectile function naturally? Number 4. There's a good chance you have this next libido booster right on your spice rack. We'll give you a hint. It's not pepper. Whether ingested or applied topically, this spice is believed to have effects akin to nitric oxide, a key player in vasodilation, improved blood flow to the penis, super strong erections, and optimal sexual function. Loaded with antioxidants like crocin and crocodin, this spice naturally improves erectile function by promoting increased blood flow. These compounds work by relaxing blood vessels in the genital area, thereby fostering improved circulation, an essential factor for achieving and sustaining arousal. Before you go making a smoothie with every spice in your pantry, we'll tell you that the one to set your sights on is saffron. Saffron has impressive antioxidant properties that help it combat oxidative stress, a culprit known to negatively affect sexual function. Saffron is the secret ingredient that makes the iconic Spanish dish of paella so remarkably delicious. Gentlemen, the stereotype of the Latin lover didn't come from nowhere. If you want to last longer in bed, eat as the Latin men of the world do. Number 3. The next homemade Viagra is a bit harder to swallow than some of the other ones on this list, but the benefits are enormous. The leading risk factors for erectile dysfunction are mainly cardiovascular disease and hypertension, because blood flow plays a huge role in determining just how strong and enduring your man downstairs can be. That's why a food that can improve your heart health, lower blood pressure, and relax your blood vessels is a no-brainer in the battle against erectile dysfunction. With its list of beneficial compounds, including polysulfides, allicin, selenium, and vitamin C. Garlic can go a long way in boosting not only your blood circulation, but your sperm production as well. However, here's the catch. To harness all these nutrients effectively, consuming raw garlic is key. Raw garlic? Aren't we trying to improve your sex life? While consuming raw garlic might seem daunting, cooking it or relying on supplements can reduce its effectiveness. If this is your first time trying to go raw, consider adding just half of a small garlic clove to one of the 3 smoothie recipes we share in this video. As you get accustomed to the taste, you can increase it to 1 small clove and then 2 small cloves over the course of several weeks. Number 2. You know that veggies are good for you, but which ones help to launch your rocket? The vegetables we'll reveal in a moment are loaded with nitrates, which might sound like something out of a science lab, but trust us, they're pure magic. These nitrates transform into nitric oxide, the ultimate chill pill for your blood vessels. Translation? Better blood flow, my friends. And you know what better blood flow means. That's right, stronger and mightier erections. The top nitrate-rich foods known for boosting your libido and improving erectile function are beets, kale, arugula, spinach, and Swiss chard. In addition to nitrates, these veggies are also loaded with folates, which are crucial in preventing erectile dysfunction. So, the next time you're on the hunt for some rocket fuel, you might want to try out a beet and arugula salad. Number 1. While most fruits are considered generally healthy, they are not all created equal. The 3 we'll discuss in just a moment contain peculiar compounds and minerals that give them aphrodisiac-like properties. First up is a popular, juicy summer treat that contains a special amino acid called citrulline. Your body takes this citrulline and turns it into arginine, a VIP compound that tells your blood vessels, hey, relax, take it easy. And voila, better circulation for better sexual performance. This fruit is watermelon, and it helps to create stronger erections in the same way Viagra does. Next is strawberries. These juicy red fruits are jam-packed with powerful phytochemicals, including anthocyanins and vitamin C. Strawberries act like cheerleaders for your blood vessels, helping to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Third in this group of sexually potent fruits are pomegranates. Pomegranates house a very special type of polyphenol known as elagitannins. When broken down by intestinal microbes, these elagitannins get converted into a powerful compound called urolithin A. Besides helping to boost nitric oxide, like many of the other foods we've mentioned today, urolithin A also improves mitochondrial function and slows the aging process. Basically, gentlemen, your member is about to start aging backwards. Prepare to feel like 20 again. Watermelon chunks, strawberry slices, and pomegranate seeds are easy to fit into your diet. But if you're looking for ideas, we've got 2 more smoothie recipes for you that will massively upgrade your sex life. The Straight Shooter Smoothie. For this one, you'll need 1 cup fresh spinach or arugula, 1 small beet cooked and chopped, 1 cup watermelon cubed, 6 strawberries fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 3 or 4 threads of saffron, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, adjusted taste, 1 small clove garlic, optional, adjusted taste, 1 or 2 cups of water or coconut water to desired consistency. Or you might like to try this one, the Rocket Booster Smoothie. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup chopped watermelon, half a cup fresh pomegranate seeds, half a cup Greek yogurt or a dairy-free alternative, 1 tablespoon honey, optional, adjusted taste, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional for added nutrients, half a cup milk or milk alternative. Which smoothie recipe are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments!